Listen closely, my shadowed souls, and dare to face the mirror's secrets. Long ago there was a woman, her name erased by time, but remembered in whispers. Some say she was the daughter of King Henry VIII, who loved to execute innocents due to their Protestant beliefs. Others, a sorceress punished for her power. Her death was violent, her rage eternal. Now her spirit lingers, trapped in the reflective abyss, waiting. If you dare summon her, you must stand before a mirror cloaked in darkness, with only a single candle to light your path. Whisper her name, Bloody Mary, 3 times, but beware, each word tears open the veil between our world and hers. If she comes, you'll know it. Her blood-stained face will appear, her hollow eyes fixed on you. Some say she'll claw at your flesh, others that she'll drag you screaming into her realm, leaving behind only a faint red smear on the glass. Do you have the courage to call her, or will the thought of her icy breath on your neck keep you far from the mirror? Remember, she's always waiting, watching in the dark. Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary, Bloody.